Now, certified the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
How you doing, everybody? Another active afternoon of showers and thunderstorms. Now, today we have that easterly wind that we've been promising, and that means more of our classic summertime pattern. In other words, the storms pop up over on the East Coast, and then they work their way west later in the afternoon. And when they do, they can get awfully strong. We had a couple of reports of some drop clouds that may have had the look of a funnel cloud, and there is always the possibility of a funnel cloud or a water spout with this kind of a pattern, because this is truly what we call our classic summertime pattern. The winds come in from the southeast, the storms move across the state, they heat up during the day, they run into our west coast sea breeze, and when they do, those storms can really fire. Every now and again we get a severe thunderstorm warning, torrential downpours. I mean, it's Florida for July and August. Outside of that, we're actually looking pretty good over the next several days into the weekend and early next week. Now, with any of our thunderstorms, you could easily see a couple of inches of rain. So when we show you our forecast model over the next 3 days, rainfall potential, it's obviously on the high side, because any slow-moving storm can dump 2-3 inches of rain in your area in what, a half hour, 45 minutes? It can happen. So this shouldn't bother anybody. It's just one of those things. If you're wanting to plan your things for outdoors, do it early in the day until maybe 2 o'clock. Because after 2 o'clock, then it gets a little dicey, and then by about 4 or 5 o'clock, everything starts to open up and we get those strong storms popping. In terms of the tropics, it is exceedingly quiet. I mean, there's nothing going on. A lot of reasons for it. Some dry air coming off of Africa. That's one of the reasons. It's still a little bit early in the season. But long-range models keep things very quiet, even with these waves forming and coming off of Africa for the foreseeable future. In fact, one of our more reliable models, the Euro, doesn't even bring us even the threat of a tropical system until the end of August. So something to keep our eyes on, but at least so far, so good. There's a look at the 7-day. Rain chances 40 to 50% right through Saturday. Now on Sunday, some slightly drier air is going to be moving in, and we're bumping rain chances down to 30%. Next week, back to normal. Highs in the low 90s, morning lows in the mid to upper 70s. Rain chances primarily after 3 o'clock.